ChatGPT launched 3.5 years ago. Back then, no one talked about prompt injection. Now AI systems are everywhere, and attackers are already using them for phishing, payload generation, recon, and attacks against AI systems themselves. So what do? We adapt, we learn. And the best place to start is with the AI1 certification by TryHackMe. AI1 tests your skills across 13 hands-on scenarios and 4 core domains: AI threat modeling, prompt injection and jailbreaking, AI supply chain security and data poisoning. Built around the OWASP Top 10 for LLMs, the cert combines offensive and defensive AI security training using real interactive labs, all at an accessible price point. You also get 3 months of TryHackMe Premium and full access to the AI security learning path, mapped directly to the certification. Technology has evolved. Now you can too, with TryHackMe's AI1 certification.